How much gold should you hold after a 457b to IRA rollover? Rolling funds from a 457b into an IRA is not just an administrative step, it's an opportunity to strengthen your retirement strategy. Many investors ask the same question: how much gold should you hold after a 457b to IRA rollover? With inflation, market volatility, and currency uncertainty, gold has become a popular hedge inside retirement accounts. The key is finding the right balance between protection and growth. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here is a simple guide to help you decide. Why add gold after a 457b to IRA rollover? After a rollover, an IRA offers more flexibility, including the option to hold physical gold through a gold IRA. Investors use gold to protect against inflation, diversify beyond stocks and bonds, preserve long-term purchasing power, reduce risk during market downturns. Gold does not replace growth assets, it complements them. Recommended gold allocation ranges: there is no one-size-fits-all answer, but these common ranges can help guide your decision. 5% to 10%, conservative, best for investors who want light protection without limiting long-term growth. 10% to 20%, balanced, a popular range for those nearing retirement who want stability and diversification. 20% to 30%, defensive, suitable for investors concerned about inflation, recession, or currency decline. Most retirement planners consider 10% to 20% gold allocation a practical middle ground. Factors that affect your gold percentage: before deciding how much gold to hold, consider 1. Age and time to retirement. Younger investors often hold less gold, retirees usually hold more. 2. Risk tolerance. Higher concern about market instability often means higher gold exposure. 3. Current portfolio mix. Stock-heavy portfolios may benefit more from adding gold. Gold rules inside an IRA: only IRS-approved gold is allowed, such as gold bars with 99.5% purity, American Gold Eagle coins, Canadian Gold Maple Leaf coins. Gold must be stored with an approved custodian, not at home. Deciding how much gold should you hold after a 457b to IRA rollover requires balance, not guesswork. Gold acts as a stabilizer, helping protect retirement savings from inflation and market stress. Many investors choose to convert a 457b to a gold IRA rollover for retirement to improve diversification and long-term security. For most, a 10% to 20% gold allocation offers a smart mix of protection and flexibility. The best choice is one that matches your goals, risk comfort, and retirement timeline. Thoughtful planning today helps build a steadier and more resilient retirement tomorrow. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.